So in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat for is not loading, how to fix sound not working in your Snapchat when someone send them up video to you, or you are watching another person's video and the sound is not as sent. So what you need to do is first check here, just check your volume. For Android phone you can just check your volume. If your volume is high, you can see check your volume. You have to check your volume. So once you check your volume and it is okay, another thing you can do is maybe your phone is on silent. Just go down and check here to see if your phone is not on silent, and if it's still not doing, another thing you can do is you can go to your settings. Once you go to your settings, go and clear off your Snapchat. Once you go to your settings, just go there and go to app management. Click on app list, then go and search Snapchat there. Once the Snapchat is open, you can do this one to free up your Snapchat and see if it is because it's been load off. That's why the sound is not working very well. Okay, I think let's search it here. Now Snapchat. Okay, just click on it. Once you click on it here, what you need to do is click on storage and cache, and here just click on clear cache, and you can see you can do it here. You can clear your storage here too, and you're going to list any file. You can see node under this one. Just go there, and once you do that, just go back to your Snapchat, and I believe this is going to help. And if it still does not help, the sound is still not working very well, what you need to do is just click on uninstall your Snapchat. Once you uninstall your Snapchat, then you'll be able to do it very well. I believe that one is going to work very well. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.